Today we're looking at sketching graphs of the form y equals a sine x plus b. So we're going to first of all sketch y equals sine x degrees plus 2. So this will move the graph 2 places up the y-axis. So making sure we've sketched our axes accurately. Our first point should be 0, 0, but it will become 0, 2. 91 becomes 93. 180, 0 becomes 182. 270 minus 1 becomes 271, and 360, 0 becomes 362. Our next graph is y equals sine x minus 1. The graph is getting moved one place down the y-axis instead of up, because it's minus 1. So 0, 0 will become 0 minus 1. 91 would become 90, 0. 180, 0 becomes 180 minus 1. 270 minus 1 becomes 270 minus 2. And 360, 0 becomes 360 minus 1. So again, taking the time to mark all key points that we've just mentioned, and then connecting them to make sure that you get a nice smooth wave. The next graph, we've got two things going on. We've got 2 sine x plus 1. The 2 stretches the graph by a factor of 2, and the plus 1 moves the graph one place up the y-axis. So our first point should be 0, 0, but it will become 0, 1 as we're moving one place up. Our maximum should be, with a standard sine wave, 91. The 2 in front of the sine makes it 92. However, we're moving one place up, so it becomes 93. 180, 0 would be our next point. However, we're moving one place up, so it becomes 181. 270 minus 1 is the normal point for a sine wave. However, it's 2 sine x would be minus 270 minus 2. However, moving 1 up, it becomes 270 minus 1. And similarly, 360, 0. Again, we'll move one place up, it becomes 361. Minus 3 sine x plus 2. The minus, remember, inverts the graph, so instead of having a maximum at 90 degrees, we'll have a minimum at 90 degrees. That minimum would be minus 3 for minus 3 sine x. However, we've got plus 2, so we're moving the graph 2 places up the y-axis, so minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So our first point will be 0, 2. The next point will be 90 minus 1. The next point will be 182. The next point will be 275. And the last point will be 362. Making all those changes as per the equation of the sine wave. So again, just take your time, label your axes correctly, say it's definitely worth doing this. So again, there's our points. 0, 2. 90 minus 1, 182, 275 is the next one, and 362.